what's stopping you? Are you too tired? You didn't get enough sleep? Don't have enough energy? Don't have enough time? Is that what's stopping you? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you, you? Excuses sound best to the person who's making them up. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Stop making excuses. Stop telling everyone it's a scam. You're skint. You want everything for free. Learn it. Invest in yourself. If you ever see me in a Rolls Royce, see me in a 6 or 7 star hotel, living life to the fullest, don't get jealous. I'm working my ass off to get here. Nobody give me nothing. Wake your ass up. Awaken the beast inside you. It's time to learn. Time to invest. This is your year. It's time for you to take advantage of the free training I'm offering you. Take advantage of all the help. It's time for you to take advantage of the free training I give you in the link below. It's time for you to learn and make this your year. Have you got a problem with your life? Have you got a problem with your finances? Do something about it. Do this training. Go get it. Change your life for the better. Recognise the excuses are not valid. They're conjured up, they're fabricated, they're lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop the lies with the truth. And the truth is, you do have time, you do have the skill, you do have the resources, you do have the support, you have the willpower, you have the discipline, and you have the time to get it done. The fruit of everything good in life begins with a challenge. Everything is uphill. That's worthwhile. It's not going to come to you. It's not going to fall in your lap. And it's not going to be something, oh my gosh, this was so simple. It's always going to be difficult. If you want it, you've got to go get it. This is your chance. This is your shot. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your place. This is your opportunity. This is your year. This is my time. This is my moment. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Ain't no such thing as tomorrow. We only got today. It's your dream. If you're going to have it, get your butt up and make it happen. If you're going to have it, rise and grind. Put in the effort. You've still got work to do. Get learning. Get taking action. Stay focused. Stay motivated. It's your year. Get it done. Build your empire.